I always say these are going to be a quick video, and they never are, but this one should be. I'm going to show you really quick how to put on this little accordion thing. They're called Concertina shields or blinds. They come off on these trucks all the time, and sometimes you can put them back on. In this case, this is a brand new truck, and I'm just replacing them. The top side, which is this right here, just pops in there and goes in there. It's nice tight press fit, right? All right, this is a newer style. The older style had a metal backbone in here, so you got to be really careful when you take them off, not to kind of make it do like this number here, warp it. But the bottom is exactly the same on these new ones. Here's the deal. You see how it has this edge, this center edge, and then this isn't really an edge. You got the shorter one, the longer one, right? All right, this is the side you should put on first, not the top. So you'll have this lined up. Because this has, if you'll notice, it's got this little wall there. So you start there. All right, the long piece, which you see sitting there, goes under this little tab right here. It goes under there, over top of this, but under there. And then this piece goes down below all of it. And I see them all the time done like this, or done like this. That's not right. And it'll come back off. You got to have that piece. See that center little tongue? You got to have that piece under it, but not the whole thing under it. So that right there, put it right on there. And now this piece has got to go down below the bottom. There you go. Look at that. Now pop. Now here you go. You got to work it down here. Here's the same thing right there. And you get the longer piece under that little middle tongue thing. And then you start here, and you can hear it and feel it click. You got one more here, and it will go on there wrong. There it is. It's on there. Click, click. All right, so that's on there. It's on there solidly. Now, putting this on first with this jammed back here will line this up perfectly. And for this one, all you have to do is put it up and over, push it on. You'll feel it. It's nice and firm. I'm pushing it pretty good. There's a pretty good resistance. Work it all the way down there, and it is on there. And that's all there is to it. This isn't a big deal. This is critical. I see these fall off all the time. And honestly, in a dark interior like you can see this one is, it's hard to see sometimes. Sometimes the sun will be shining one way and you can see it fine, and the other way it's kind of in the dark. Those little tongue things right there that I showed you are critical. You got to have them in the right place or it will come back off. So anyway, questions, comments, hope it helps. Thank you.